Hi friends, just 2 days before I uploaded one video on locust swarms in India, and there I gave the detailed review on how this locust swarm has suddenly came to India so early, and how the cyclones over the Mediterranean Sea and in Iran and Pakistan has affected this locust swarming in India. So now today this purpose of making this video is to make you people aware about the latest news on this topic. And locust swarms, this now after starting, they came from Pakistan and they invaded the parts of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana, and now they are heading towards Delhi and UP, and Delhi and UP are bracing even the second attack. You can see here a picture, scary picture of how these locusts, how these pests are invading the city roads, and a swarm of desert locusts that infested Jaipur on Monday morning could be headed towards the capital. An alert has been, a high alert has been made in the capital city of Delhi. If the wind speed is favorable, they will invade it on Monday. Delhi has been kept on alert as such swarms are currently active in Gujarat, Maharashtra, UP and Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, which is most affected state. Normally desert locusts are seen in western part of Rajasthan and Gujarat from June to November, but they were first spotted by the Union Agriculture Ministry's locust warning organization in April. What's more concerning is that usually they are either solitary or in small groups, meaning the current swarming is unusual. So you people could have known that yesterday I told that this time the breed has increased. This swarm includes almost 16,000 times more number of locusts in a band. So almost 16,000 times increment has occurred in their breeding, and entomologists said that despite being an urban setting, the impact on Delhi could be as severe as 22% of its area in under green cover, which can provide foraging material for these locusts. And these locusts are, remember, these locusts are voracious eater. LWO Deputy Director KL Gurjar on Monday said that the locusts may move towards Delhi in the next few days if the wind speed is and direction are favorable. As of today, the wind speed moved them north. IMD has been asked to monitor the meteorological conditions to help the Agriculture and Ministry forecast where the locusts may be headed next. Kundeep Srivastava, scientist at IMD and head of Regional Weather Forecasting Center in Delhi, said that wind direction is favorable at the moment, largely remaining northwesterly. Mohammad Faisal, an entomologist at Yamuna Biodiversity Park, said that the capital could suffer greatly if it had very little agriculture area. The swarm, after surviving winter in the desert, moved out due to the lack of food, and Jaipur has been plenty of green spaces including parks, thus providing foraging materials for them. Delhi's green areas can be impacted severely. A very small 1 square kilometer locust swarm can eat the same amount of food in a day as much as about 35,000 people, said Faisal, adding that in the past they have been known to affect water supply and railway lines. After their attack, railway tracks became slippery and need to be cleaned. They have become to clog wells too. Faisal said a single locust can lay up to 500 eggs, and we need to tackle not just to the swarm but their breeding grounds too. Then what happens is that the National History Society said that the swarm might not only impact gardens and greenery but other insects who depend on the same plants for their survival. A swarm can be in the groups of 150 million locusts per square kilometer, carried on the wind up to 150 in a day. And so from this report you can see that how much scary this phenomena is going to be. Another report what I came to know is that the locust swarms invaded in Maharashtra, Rajasthan, alert in Delhi UP district, especially in Maharashtra. What they are doing in Nagpur, there we all know that there are orange orchards, and there they have attacked there, and in fact this time the farmers are going to face a very much loss, especially the farmers having the orange gardens. After swarms of locusts entered residential areas in Jaipur, the locusts entered India through Rajasthan on 11th April and have affected at least 5 states in India. Swarms have also entered MP, Punjab, Haryana, UP and Delhi has been put on alert. A government spokesperson told PTI that a swarm of locusts was seen in the jungles of Jhansi also on Sunday, and 40% of it was destroyed after chemicals were sprayed by the government. And let me tell you one thing, One thing is that the drones has been employed to spray chemicals so that these menace could be reduced, and these locust attack this year have come earlier than usual. As I had mentioned in my earlier video, they are expected to come actually in July to October period, but the low wind pressure creating cyclones and storms and hastened the phenomena. The UN's Food and Agricultural Organization says that the locust swarms can vary in size from less than 1 square kilometer to several hundred square kilometers. While the insects do not harm humans or animals, they can cause significant damage to crops. So you can see here the dangerous pictures of how these the farmers are trying to tackle out, and they see the scary images of Jaipur Fort, Jaipur terraces on Jaipur, Rajasthan, and other places like Maharashtra. How they have created a menace. So we are expecting we are going to face a very severe consequence of this. Maybe famine also can come. So pray, and we can only pray and hope that government will take the right actions against this menace. So thank you.